Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to live stream on X. So first of all, let's open X, and you have to tap the plus sign button in the bottom right corner of your screen, which is Start New Post button. And here from the list of options you want to tap a live option, and let's select Start a Live Stream. So you can tap what is happening over here for to enter a title for your live session, and optionally you can add a location to your live stream. And also you can control your microphone, you can switch the camera, you can turn on the flashlight. Also you can enable or disable hearts, so this is likes on your stream, and also you can control who can chat. And finally, when you are ready, you have to tap Go Live button at the bottom side of the screen to start a live stream on X. So that's it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.